Hello, my dear students. I once again welcome you all on my YouTube channel, Dr. Vikas Kamra. This is the fourth video from the series Data Structure Important Questions. First two videos were on numericals of two-dimensional array and three-dimensional array. The third video was from Unit 2, Stack Data Structure, in which we evaluated the postfix expression. This is the next video in which we'll convert a given infix expression into postfix expression. This question is very, very important. It always comes in your exam as well as in your assignments or competitive exam. So please understand this question very carefully. You will be given an infix expression. As example is shown here, the expression Q, it is an infix expression. It is given here. You need to make it or convert it in the form of a postfix expression P. This is the postfix expression which you need to make from the given infix expression. The stack data structure you can use to convert the given infix expression into postfix expression. So we are starting with this fourth video from data structure series. So now I am moving to the next slide. So first I will explain you the algorithm. This algorithm will tell you the step-by-step procedure to convert a given infix expression into the postfix expression. So very first step of the algo is you need to perform two tasks. Number one, push a left parenthesis or bracket into the stack. And number two, add a right parenthesis or a right bracket at the end of expression Q, which is your infix expression. These two brackets, that is left bracket and right bracket, they are the flags or sentinel characters which are used to represent the end. Like left bracket represents the end of the stack and right bracket represents the end of the given infix expression. So now step 2 of algorithm, it says that you need to scan the given expression from left direction to right direction, one symbol at a time, and repeat step number 3, 4, 5, 6. And you have to repeat until the stack is empty. So I'm explaining once again. Step number 2 is a loop which scans the given expression from left to right, symbol by symbol, and repeat step number 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 until the stack is empty. Now, these are the main 4 steps of this particular algorithm. So I will explain you in very simple way and in brief that how these steps will work. So if an operand is coming while scanning, you need to simply add it to the postfix expression. Means no push and pop operations are required. If an operand is coming, simply add it to the postfix expression. Step number 4, if a left bracket or left parenthesis is coming, simply push it onto the stack. This is again very simple step. So while scanning the expression, if a left bracket is coming, push it onto the stack. Now, operator case. This is the most important step of this algorithm. If you are scanning and an operator is coming, say plus, minus, multiply, divide, then 4 cases are there. You need to remember the 4 cases in step number 5. Case A, case B, case C, case D. So very first case, if there is no operator already on top of stack, you simply push that operator onto the stack. So this is step A. If there is no operator onto the stack, push that operator directly into the stack. Case B, if already there is an operator, now you need to check the priority of both operators. The operator which is coming and the operator which is already on the stack. If the incoming operator has high priority, then the existing operator on stack, you need to simply push that operator. Listen once again. If the incoming operator has high priority as compared to the operator which is already onto the stack, you need to simply push that operator onto the stack. Case C. If the incoming operator has less priority as compared to the operator already on the stack, then first pop operation will be done from the stack and then push operation will be done onto the stack. For example, if minus is coming and multiply is already onto the stack, means incoming operator has less priority, that is minus, and the already existing operator has more priority, that is multiply, then first pop operation will be done, means multiply will be out of the stack and go to the postfix expression P. After that, the incoming minus operator will be pushed onto the stack. Case 4. If the both operator has same priority, means incoming operator is having the priority equal to the operator which is already onto the stack, then do the same operation. First pop, then push. It is same like step C of step number 5. So I am explaining all 4 steps once again. If an operator is coming and there is no operator onto the stack, that means case A. Simply push that operator onto the stack. Step 2. If incoming operator has high priority as compared to the existing operator on stack, simply push the incoming operator onto the stack. Third case, if incoming operator has low priority as compared to the existing operator on the stack, pop that operator first on the stack, then push the new operator onto the stack. If both operator have same priority, again same thing will happen. First pop will be done from the stack, then new operator will be pushed onto the stack. Now this is step number 5. So now coming to fourth case. If a right bracket or right parenthesis is coming, what to do? If a right bracket is coming, you simply have to do the pop operations. No push operation is required if a right bracket is coming. And you repeat the pop until the left bracket encountered into the stack. Means all the operators one by one will be popped from the stack and they will be added to the postfix expression. And this process continues until a left bracket is encountered. Once left bracket is coming, that will neutralize the incoming right bracket. So both are discarded. Then again, you need to repeat these steps 3, 4, 5, 6 until your stack is empty. Once the stack is empty, you need to exit the algorithm and your postfix expression is converted. So now let us take an example of this one. Then you will understand better how it works. You can see here, this is the given expression which we need to convert into postfix. So very first step was add a right parenthesis at the end of the expression. So you need to add a right bracket at the end of the expression and start scanning the expression one element by one. So there are 4 cases. Maybe an operand will come, maybe an operator will come, maybe a left bracket will come, or maybe a right bracket will come. So if an operator is coming, then you need to check the priority of operator which is already on the stack or which is incoming operator. So now we are going to the example We'll scan this given expression one by one and we'll see what answer will come. So I'm starting this illustration of each step one by one. See very carefully. So now very first symbol in the expression was A. As it is an operand, so it is added to the postfix expression. You can see here there are three columns. Very first column is the symbol scanned. Very second column is the content of stack. Third column is the new postfix expression. So if an operand is coming, add it to the postfix expression. If an operator is coming, you can see there is no operator on the top of the stack. So this plus is directly added on the top of the stack. If left bracket is coming, simply push into the stack. If an operand is coming, add it to the postfix expression. Now postfix expression has two content A, B, and stack has three content, left bracket plus left bracket, and top of stack is left bracket. If an operator is coming, simply add it into the stack because there is no existing operator. If an operand C is coming, add it to the postfix expression. Now this is the main step, step number 7. Listen carefully. Now minus operator is coming and on the top of stack there is multiply operator. So incoming operator has less priority than the already existing operator on the stack. So first it will be popped and added to the postfix expression. Then this minus will be pushed into the stack. So two actions has been performed. This star, because it was having high priority, it was popped out and added to the postfix expression. But new incoming minus is added to the stack. Now if a left bracket is coming, add it into the stack. If an operand is coming, add it to the postfix expression. If a operator is coming, now there is no operator on the top of stack, the only left bracket is there, so simply push that operator divide onto the stack. If an operand is coming, simply add it into the postfix expression. Now another important step, step number 12. Now this raised to power operator is coming. It has highest priority as compared to multiply, divide, plus, minus. So the incoming operator has higher priority as compared to the already existing operator on the stack. So in this case, there is no pop operation, only push operation will be there, and the incoming operator raised to power is pushed above the divide operator. So this is the second important point when we'll talk about the priority of operator. Now next operand is coming. It is again pushed into the postfix expression. Now right bracket coming. Third and another case. If a right bracket is coming, I told you that you need to pop the operators one by one until a left bracket encountered. So first divide was there, so it is was added on to the postfix expression. Then first raised to power was there, then divide was there, because on top of stack there was raised to power. So first raised to power was removed, then divide was removed, and it is entered into the expression. Now this right bracket discarded this left bracket. So now once again star is coming. This star represents the operator, but on stack minus is there. The operator on the top of stack has less priority as compared to the operator which is coming. So star is pushed, but no pop operation of minus is done. Now operand is coming, so it is added into the stack. Right bracket came. Now once again only pop operations will be done. First this multiply will be popped and added into the stack. Then this minus will be popped and added into the, sorry, not stack, our postfix expression. They are popped out of the stack but entered into the postfix expression. And once again, as left bracket is encountered, so it discarded this right bracket. So now The content of stack are left bracket and plus. Now once again operator came, but on the top of stack plus is there, multiply as high priority. So it is directly pushed into the stack. No pop operation is done. So now this is the postfix expression made till now. Again another operand is coming. This operand is again entered here at the end of the postfix expression. Now last sentinel character, the push operation which we did in the first step of this algo, we pushed a right bracket, and now once this right bracket came, one by one multiply is popped and added to the expression. Now then plus is popped and added at the end of the postfix expression, and this left bracket is encountered with the right bracket, and they both are discarded. Now stack became empty and we got our final postfix expression. So this is our final postfix expression for the given infix expression. I show you both expressions once again as I shown in the first slide. So these are the two of the expressions. You can see here, this was the given infix expression, and this is the answer, or you can say generated postfix expression P. So this example is very important. You have to understand it carefully. If you did not understand in one time, repeat this video, watch it again, and your concept will be clarified. You just need to remember the four cases which are coming, means what you have to do if an operator is coming, what you have to do if an operand is coming. Say if an operand is coming, then this is the step 3. If left parenthesis is coming, step 4. If operator is coming, as I already told you, 4 cases you need to check. Push and pop may happen, and if right parenthesis is coming, no push operation, only pop. So I have explained you the example here. So you can see the example once again, how it is step by step solved. Now you can see how we can convert a given infix expression into postfix expression. So this is very important question. All of you should study and understand it properly. Please share this video with your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel and stay connected for more videos related to the research guidance, data structure, career counseling, podcast videos, and many more. So thank you very much, dear students. We'll see you again.